Latino entrepreneurs, it's time we change the game. Did you know that while we're the most entrepreneurial group in the US, we receive the least amount of funding? It's time we stop just being consumers and start being owners. In this video, I'm sharing powerful insights we got from top Latino leaders who've cracked the code on wealth creation and share value in our live stream session. But not only that, I'm going to give you 7 actionable steps you can take to start creating wealth. Wealth isn't just for other people, it's for you. Beatriz Acevedo, who's the CEO and founder of Sumo Wealth, reminds us we contribute massively to the US economy, but we don't see ourselves as investors. That stops today. It's time to flip that switch from a survival mindset to a growth mindset. So how do we do that? Well, here are 3 key factors to help us make this change. The first one, audit your mindset. Write down any limiting beliefs you have about money you grew up with, such as money is evil, wealthy people are greedy, or anything that comes to mind. Challenge each one by reframing it. That way, money is evil becomes money is a tool to create opportunities. So your mindset is key. Visualize your financial goals. This is very important. Where do you want to be financially in 5 or 10 years? Break it into specific and actionable goals. Set out 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year goals of where you want to be financially. The money you make, the assets you have, the net wealth that you have. It could be buying a home, starting a business, or even saving for retirement. Start small. Nothing big ever starts out big. If you ever invested before, begin with something simple like opening a high yield savings account or opening up a Schwab account, investing small, but starting and keep going. Step 2 are the principles. As Latinos, we often growing up hearing that ambition or wealth is a bad thing. But Hernán Sáenz shared this truth. Making money isn't selling out. It's creating opportunities for your family and your community. He shared 3 principles that his parents told him and he lives by today. The first one, education is the gateway to opportunity. Education is vital. Learning is vital. Hernán's parents made it clear, education is non-negotiable. It's the foundation of everything. And this isn't about getting a degree. It's about constantly learning, leveling up your skills, and staying curious. There's so much out there to learn. We have to keep leveling up and keep learning. The second principle, if you load effort on top of education, so many doors will open. So education is the path to open many doors of opportunity for you. Knowledge is great, but effort is what makes it work. You can learn a lot of things, but you got to put action behind it. Hernán's parents taught him that education alone isn't enough. You need to hustle. You need to take action. You can learn a lot of great things, but if you don't put action behind it, nothing happens. You have to push boundaries and they have to outwork the competition. Not only outwork the competition, but also work smarter than the competition. Hard work amplifies the power of your education, and smart work is even better and further amplifies it. The third area is to concentrate and focus. Hernán not only shared what his parents told him, but he also gave us the golden rule. You don't create wealth by diversifying. You create it by concentrating, whether it's starting a business or investing, but your focus is the key. There's a lot of distractions out there, so focus is the key. Here's how to make it for you. First, identify your strengths and your passions. Write down what you're good at and what excites you. Focus your energy on opportunities that align with these. Second, start a business or even a side hustle. If you got a skill or idea, concentrate on turning it into income. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, and others can help you to get a start and make that happen. The third is invest intelligently. Instead of spreading small amounts across multiple investments, choose a few that you deeply understand, such as a business you believe in or stocks you've researched or public companies that you buy their products and you like. My daughter, for example, she likes Starbucks. She invested in Starbucks and she's done okay. Step 4, join the clan. Victor and Hernán both emphasize this. Community is a superpower. Networks are multipliers and enablers. Whether it's joining networks or supporting each other, Latinos and non-Latinos are stronger together within networks. So three things underneath this. 1, Join the network. Research groups like Analyst Investors, Business Incubators, the Latino Business Action Network. There's so many networks out there, but research one that aligns to your goals and join them. Second, once you join them, collaborate. Partner with other entrepreneurs in your community, pool resource, cross-promote, help each other succeed, and create mutual success. Mentorship. Find a mentor or become one. Guiding others' strengths to your network opens up a lot of opportunities, not only for you, but for them, and it makes life very fulfilling and fun. Step 5, build trust. It's no secret that many in our community distrust banks and financial systems. Beatriz shared how her parents lost everything during a currency devaluation. But she also reminds us, trust is built through education. It's built through education, time, and actions. So how do we educate ourselves? The first thing, learn the basics. There's so many free online courses out there. Take free online courses on personal finance. There's some in Coursera, there's some in Khan Academy that you can use to build confidence. Start with a simple account. Open up a savings account, a checking account with a reputable bank, or even a credit union to familiarize yourself with these financial tools. And you can even do a Charles Schwab account for stock investing. And then ask questions. When dealing with financial advisors or institutions or banks, when you just ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask for clarity, and don't be afraid to ask dumb questions, right? Understanding will eliminate fear. Step 6, invest in the future. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about creating freedom and leaving a legacy for your family, your grandkids, your great-great-grandkids. Hernán shared this multi-generational wealth starts with values, not just money. So it's like, what are the values? Think about your values that you have. So here's how to build wealth that lasts. 1, start investing now. The best time to invest was yesterday. You can leverage that compounding. You can use platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity for stocks, Republic for crowdfunding for startups, but start small. Even $50 a month can make a difference, and you get that compounding working for you. Second, teach, right? Show your relevance on how to invest. You're gonna learn some things, give back and teach. Share your perspectives. You can open a custodial account for others in your family, for them, and let them pick stocks from brands that they know, like Disney or Nike. I opened up a custodial account with my daughter, and I told her to pick all the brands that she likes and that she invested in. We picked companies like Starbucks, Nvidia, and others that really highlight what she uses and what she likes and what she can invest in. Step 7, build community. This isn't about just you. It's about changing the narrative for our entire community. We are working towards a world where Latino-led businesses dominate the economy. That future starts with us. So here's a couple things you need to do. 1, support Latino businesses. Make a habit of buying from Latino entrepreneurs, Latino-owned businesses. Use social media to amplify their efforts, their announcements, the great things they've done to help them be successful. 2nd, create opportunities. If you're a business owner, hire or mentor other Latinos in the industry. And then 3rd, pay it forward. Whether it's time, money, your knowledge, find ways to give back and help others climb that ladder and follow the success that you have. Giving back is not only good, but it also helps you in feeling gratitude and happiness. So please pay it forward. My fellow Latinos out there, we have everything we need to create wealth, build economic strength, and leave a legacy. We have a phenomenal culture, we have great ambition, and we have a community that's huge and getting bigger every day. The question is, will you take the first step? Start today. Open that account, join that network, launch that idea. And if you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this.